probably. I don't know. Last time I was here, I brought the Grom. And I made it. Made it just fine, so now it is with this KLX. It should be chill. Last time I was not having issues, but I was just worried about clearances because like the Grom is small, or not the best to travel. So we'll see. And we're off. This area kind of sucks because all the rocks. But once we do the first switchback, it clears up. We'll see if we run into some vehicles. Hikers. That's cool. Whoa! Damn, they got like 16, 17 miles of fucking uphill. That's crazy. Hey, give them props though. Oh, fuck. Sketch. Yeah, rain really fucked this place up. Damn. I didn't know it was this rough on the Grom last time. Shit. Poor Grom. Whew. Well, so far, what, 3 miles? Damn. Whew. Okay, we're almost here. Woo. Woo. Made it. Damn, this was fucking sucks, dude. It's like, this is why we can't have good shit. Motherfuckers come out here and just fuck it up, man. Some bullshit. Alright, but we're here though. Got me a little worried. But she made it. Or he dropped her, so it's all good. She got what's that saying? She got blessed. I think it was gonna be rocky again. Yeah. Whoa. Rock section. Ooh, I'm coming at that halfway mark on the tank. Once it gets to the halfway point, that's when I'll probably start turning back. Oh, it's a fucking bee. Or something. Jesus. Holy shit. Yeah, nope. Fuck. Yeah. Plans didn't go accordingly, but it's all good. The erosion really did mess up the plans, but it's all good. Oh shit. Oh. Good, how about yourself?
Good. You out here by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got Silverwood there? Area over?
What's that?
From Silverwood?
I tried to, after this point right here, you probably got like another, maybe a mile, and then the road, like, just eroded.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It came up this way, too?
Yeah, it came up this way, too.
Oh, so you turned around anyway? Oh.
Yeah.
Look at that. Well,
we were heading up this way.
It's blocked off, you said?
It's not blocked off, but it's pretty bad. Like the water just eroded. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't want to pass it.
Yeah.
Wait, is that a 300?
230.
Oh, it's a 230. All right.
Yeah. Are you gonna wait for him?
No.
Yeah.
One more ahead.
I'll probably follow his line.
Well, you find it? Alright. You get down here and turn and stuff on this? Well, he found it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
All these rocks.
all these rocks in.
You already tightened it? Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice little light pipe.
Oh, thank you.
I might go light. I'm getting over.
Okay. Oh, you want to?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Back, back.
Yeah, later. Oh shit. It's 120 foot. I thought it was gonna be down there by 115. It's not bad. I mean, I did stop, talk to those guys over there, and we did go slow because one of the guys had a freaking his oil plug fell. It's crazy. Oh, that was fucking awkward. He almost fucking crashed. What the fuck? That's fucking weird. Dude, just chilling right there. Dude looked like a freaking a mannequin. Alright, man. That's it. Meet some friends. Later. That That was the guy. That's cool. You probably want to go buy oil for the dude.